Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you on how you can use Claude Code in anti-gravity. So first open anti-gravity on VS Code, and from here navigate through extension. You then want to head over and search for Claude Code, hit on enter, and from here you want to install the official extension by Anthropic. So it's going to be this one. Click install, trust publisher, and from there you're ready to use Claude Code. So to proceed, you want to click on the Claude icon, Claude Code open, and then it will prompt us to the chat box of Claude Code. From here, you then want to log in using the following options. So just click on one of these options right here, and you will be prompted to log in your account. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.